All right, if you've ever poured your heart and soul into building a digital product, you have definitely asked yourself this question. How do I turn this thing I've made into something that people are just desperate to buy? Well, today we're going to break down the blueprint for creating a truly irresistible offer.
So, does this sound familiar? You spent weeks, maybe months, creating an amazing course or an ebook. You've got it all ready, you launch it, you're expecting this flood of customers, and then you just hear crickets. Man, it is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. But trust me, you are not alone.
You know, the core of the problem is that we're all navigating this super crowded digital maze. Seriously, there's a course or an ebook on pretty much every topic imaginable. So just having a good product, that's not enough anymore. Your offer needs to be the solution, not just another option on the shelf.
So how in the world do you cut through all that noise? Well, it all starts with a huge mindset shift. You've got to stop focusing on the product you're selling and start focusing on the transformation you are creating for your customer.
This right here, this is the key. Let this one really sink in for a second. You know the old saying, right? People don't buy drills because they want to drill. They buy them because they want a hole in the wall. It's the exact same thing here. Your customers aren't buying your content. They're buying the result, the change, the transformation that your content promises to deliver in their life.
The best offers frame everything around this journey. I mean, think about it. Before they find you, your ideal customer is feeling blocked, confused, maybe just totally frustrated. Your product is the vehicle that gets them to their after state, where they feel free, capable, and satisfied. Your job in your marketing is to paint that picture with absolute clarity.
Okay, so selling transformation, that's the what. Now let's get into the how. Here is the actual blueprint for building that offer.
This whole blueprint really just rests on 4 main pillars. It all starts with deeply, and I mean deeply, understanding your audience's pain points. That's what lets you craft a powerful promise of that after state they're dreaming of. Then, you deliver on that promise by engineering massive perceived value. And finally, and this is a big one, you annihilate any objection that could possibly stand in their way.
Let's just zoom in on that idea of value for a sec, because this is where so many creators get it wrong. We kind of fall into this trap of thinking that more is better. More videos, more PDFs, more everything. But as this quote says, your customers aren't drowning because they lack information. They're drowning in it. What they want is a clear, fast path to a result. Value is measured in effectiveness, not in volume.
Just think about it this way. What's actually more valuable to someone who is super short on time? Is it a giant 20-hour content library that they know they'll never finish? Or is it 3 laser-focused videos that solve their exact problem right now? People will always pay for efficacy over abundance.
In this strategy, it goes all the way down to your product's name. That name is your very first promise. A generic name, like, say, social media marketing course, is totally forgettable. But what about something like Client Magnet Academy? See the difference? That name promises a transformation. It's emotional, it sparks curiosity, and it points to a real, tangible outcome. Okay, so let's put this blueprint into action. To really see how to apply that final, crucial pillar, annihilating objections, we're going to walk through a really powerful and practical example.
Now this is how you turn a customer's fear into a reason to buy. Instead of just ignoring their objections, you meet them head-on with a perfectly targeted bonus. If they say, "I have no time," you say, "Great, here's an express module just for busy people." If they think it's too complicated, you give them a getting started checklist. If they worry, "I have no audience," you offer a strategy for starting from zero. Each bonus becomes this surgical tool designed to remove one specific barrier to them saying yes.
So, when you combine a really powerful promise with incredible value and these objection-crushing bonuses, you're not just selling a product anymore. You're actually building something much more important. You're building a bridge. And this, right here, is the ultimate goal. Your offer becomes the bridge that can safely and efficiently carry your customer from their frustrating reality all the way to their desired dream. This isn't just about clever marketing. It's about creating a genuine, a memorable, and a truly transformative experience. And when you build with that intention, believe me, the sales will follow.
So as we wrap this up, I really want to leave you with this one question. Think about the audience you serve and the problems that you can solve for them. Think about their frustrating before state and their incredible dream after state. What bridge will you build for them?